So this is Joe Electronics. Joe's solution had a few cell phone issues with multiple cell phones. What's up, man? And this is Joe right here. Very reliable. English is important. You know what I mean? Top 5 T.M.I. Hit the like button, hit the cash app, $ T.M.I. This is a whole street over here, undeveloped building. But you come around the bend and all that. Very reliable. Very reliable, good dude. I know Mr. T did a video on him. It's good, por favor, use the thing, doors locked. Hey, amigo, ¿cómo está?
Hey, hello. How you doing, man?
Good, hello. Let's see my videos. This is Joe's Solutions. They got the chica phones. ¿Cómo está?
Todo bien, todo bien.
Chica phones. I was about to say, damn, it's not even together. How you doing? Say hello to the universe.
Good. Hello.
That's T.M.I. Santiago is my channel. This is the card here. You come here, very reliable. They speak English. Multiple people here speak English, right?
Yeah.
That's what's up. So you.
Here's the phone. We replace the screen and the battery.
Okay. Why is it still cracked on the side?
No, it has a new house.
Oh, that's the old one.
Yeah.
Okay. There we go. Said you take card, right?
Yes, we take on.
Okay. You open 7 days a week?
6 days a week.
6 days a week, so you close on Sunday.
We're free on Sunday, yeah.
Free on Sunday?
Free on
What?
Sunday.
You open at 8:30,
Yes, and close at 6 p.m.
close at 6 p.m. So make sure you guys want your cell phone fixed. You coming out of town, here to stay in Sosua, right here in Los Chamicos. What's the address?
Los Charamicos, Sosua.
Say the whole address. The address is right there. Ventas.
Reparaciones y venta de smartphone.
Yeah, I don't think I would be able to say that.
Smartphone repair.
Smartphone repair. They sell cell phones, covers, right? They got the covers. So just make sure you guys come and check them out.